How to use outline view in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your device. Then at the top, you'll find View, which is beside Review and Help. Click on View. In here, click on Outline. After you click on Outline, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find Show Level. You can select any level you want. Simply select the one and then type in your word. Now simply press on Enter for the second word, and at the top you will find Body as well. You can select level of the body as well by clicking on the level on the top left corner of your screen. Simply click on it and select the level you want and then type in your word. The more level you choose, it's gonna look like subgroups. You can press enter for the new one as well. Another way what you can do is simply press on tab in your keyboard and it will act as subgroups, as you can see. And to remove, what you can do is simply click on backspace on your keyboard as well. Now, this is how to use outline view in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.